In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue on any Samsung tablet. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just go to the Connection section. From here, just go to More Connection Settings. Then tap on VPN. Now if there is any VPN network connected with your tablet, just disconnect it from here. And after that, just go back and tap on Private DNS. Now if you have set any private DNS on your tablet, just select off or automatic. Now I will select off, then just tap on save. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then under settings, just tap on the search icon and search this. Tap on date and time. Now just open the date and time settings. And from here, just check if the date or the time on your tablet are incorrect or not. If they are incorrect, just tap on the date and set the date manually from here. And with the same way, you can tap on the time and you can set the time manually from here. But what I recommend is just enable automatic date and time. And after you enable this feature, your tablet will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. After you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then under Settings, just tap on General Management. And under the General Management settings, just tap on Reset. From here, just scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap on Reset Settings. Now, after you reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the Control Center, then tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. And once the restart process is completed, then just connect your tablet again with the Wi-Fi and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. From here, just go back to General Management and tap on Reset. But this time, instead of Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, just select Reset All Settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Now just tap on Reset, and by doing that, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.